Oh yes, we found a lake, pond, with one polar bear.
Hi everyone and welcome. So today we're going to take a short walk around the village of Betton in Brittany.
Oh yes, we found a lake, pond, with one polar bear. Pink polar bear. That's the most random thing I've ever seen, ever. Now walking over the boardwalk. So we're in a beautiful little town, little French town in Brittany. I still don't understand why it's got a pink polar bear in the middle of the lake. And I probably never will find out. It's absolutely beautiful park, unbelievable. There's no one around either. And that's why I love France. You can literally come here and you have it all to yourself. Bit selfish, I know. Absolutely gorgeous. Show you around. It's just a beautiful parkland. Beautiful place. And there's like fields and meadows that go all around the back. It's just so open. Okay. I'll carry on now, guys and the girls, and see what else we can find.
No. Oh. You said you did. I'm going to take you over the lake. Don't fall into water on that one.
Got a more modern centre in this town. Thai sushi restaurant in Betton.
What are the 4 letters?
Yeah, how high you want to go.
And you go down.
Hi everyone, thank you for watching today. It's just a short one. I hope you enjoyed this little stroll around the village of Betton in Brittany. I still have no idea what the pink polar bear was about, but sometimes mysteries are better left unsolved. Thank you for watching everyone, and see you in the next one. Bye.